So this is the US 30 analysis for Monday the 9th of April. Now let's just have a look at different price and price may likely go. So previously we had price have a strong run here to the upside, almost got up towards that 24,650, had brief sell side momentum. A bit of a recovery here up towards that 420, strong sell side momentum, almost brings us down towards that 23,750 now. And what we can see here is we've got our highs, lower high, a lower high again. We'll see if we can hold support if we do retrace back all the way down towards that 24,071. If we're unable to hold support at 24,071, where we do have the confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing bullish buy side momentum. We're then looking for price to progress down towards that 23,900, successful break from which we're looking for price to head down towards that 23,750. Now, if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside, 23,600, 23,480 may come into focus. I would expect the far end of the range to be in around that 23,480. If, however, we are able to hold support at the area of confluence where we do have the 200 period moving average as well as the horizontal level of the 24,071, from which we did previously find bullish buy side momentum, and we did see sell side momentum come into the market from that level. We're looking for price progress towards that 24,238, 24,420 before looking for price progress towards that 24,510, 550, and eventually 650 to the upside. Overall though, we did mention that we do have a series of lower highs, so there is a potential to see further sell side momentum. We'll have a look at the monthly chart. It won't tell us much on the US 30. On the US 30, as we can see, we've got a very strong move here to the upside on US 30. We're having a brief pullback at the present, so we'll see how far the retracement retraces before seeing the continued momentum to the upside. US 30 has a long bias over the long term, so there is this likely be a bit of a pullback before seeing that further progression to the upside. On the weekly time frame, you can see on the weekly time frame we had a pretty sharp sell-off from our highs, our all-time highs, into a bit of consolidation, saw a breakdown. We are seeing a bit of a recovery here, but it does seem indecisive, so we may be a bit range bound, pretty large range, but we may be a bit range bound for seeing further retracement and seeing a move back up to the upside here on the US 30. But we've now retested our most recent highs, every leg down, and we don't seem to test the old highs, so there is still the potential for seeing further sell side momentum here on the US 30. And we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. Over here on the daily chart, we can see we've got our highs, lower highs, lower highs. Had a consolidation, prices moved upwards out of this trading range, but we have seen the sell side momentum return. So we'll see what we do. See that sell side momentum bring us down towards that 200 period moving average here on the daily chart before retesting our old lows in around that 23,112. In around 23,112, 23,112 is pretty much this low here after having that sharp sell off, before seeing this bit of a recovery before prices turn around. So we'll see how prices progress. If we do see that sell side momentum maintain itself over the medium term. And yeah, with that said, our absolute US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.